Good morning and welcome back to the channel. I'm back in a very windy Blackpool, as you can see by the sea. Just up there is the tower, just there. Yes, very windy day, but not as windy as it was yesterday when I arrived. Because Storm Debi had just hit the coastline. It was that windy I couldn't even get out the car. Couldn't get the car door open, I had to climb across the gear stick and get out the passenger side. But I thought I'd take this opportunity today. It's quite a nice day. A bit windy, but it's not cold. I thought I'd take this opportunity to walk along the coastline and see what's going on. It's out of season. Today is the 14th of November. I'm not expecting a lot of places to be open, but I thought I'd take this opportunity. I'm just dodging that sea spray. I thought I'd take this opportunity to answer some of the questions that I've been asked on both my YouTube channel and my Facebook page. I hope I can answer some of the questions. Well, I'll answer them to my best of my ability. So one of the questions that came up was, is it easy to set up a YouTube channel? Simple answer to that is yes. It's very easy to set up a YouTube channel. The problem is maintaining a YouTube channel. This leads on to not quite a question, more of an inquiry. Somebody mentioned on YouTube that they put up 10 videos and only had 60 subscribers, and they wanted to know why the channel wasn't growing and why 60 subscribers, it's a low figure, and they thought they're wasting the time. Well, if you think that you're going to grow a channel instantly on YouTube by putting up 10 videos, you've got it totally wrong. I've only been going 5 months, and at this time of recording this video, I have 90 videos up. Okay, I have 3,500 subscribers. 1,000 of them followed me from another site. So it took me 5 months to get 2,500 subscribers with 90 videos. So to put up 10 videos and have 60, 70 subscribers, it depends on your content as well. Do people want to subscribe to your channel? Is the content, your content could be good, your content could be just, I don't know what your channel's about, so I don't really know why you class 60 subscribers or 70 subscribers as a low figure. For 10 videos, I'd probably be made up with that. So setting up a channel is quite easy. As I said, it's maintaining that channel and building that channel. It's not easy going, trust me. It is not easy going. There's a lot of work involved building a YouTube channel. But stick at it and you will watch it grow. Slowly, but it will grow. Blackpool Tower dungeon took a little bit of a battering last night with Storm Debi. They had to close the prom off for a couple of hours last night because debris was all over the prom. As you can see, the fascia boards from the dungeon has been ripped off and they are actually all over the floor. You can see them all lying around here. So Storm Debi did a little bit of damage here in Blackpool. One question that pops up, and this isn't just on the channel, this is people that you meet, because they know you've got a YouTube channel, they think straight away you make a fortune. You can make money on YouTube, but you have to meet YouTube's criteria. To become part of YouTube's partnership program, you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. That is before you can apply to be monetized. Now, to meet that YouTube criteria, the length of time of your growth of your channel will vary. I know people that have been monetized within 4 months. I know people that have been monetized in 15 months. So it depends on your channel, it depends on the work you put into it, and it depends on the content of the channel. Now, straight away, don't think you're going to become a millionaire. There are some content creators on YouTube that have made a fortune. There are a lot that have failed. My channel is very, very small. 5 months, 3,500 subscribers. I think that's a small channel, and I think it's growing nicely. But I do have videos on there. For instance, there's a video that I started back 5 months ago where I took a day trip to Benidorm just for breakfast. I went out on an early plane and flew back on a late plane. One day into Benidorm and back. That video has been up for 5 months. And I will tell you now, in 5 months, that video has earned me, wait for it, just over £3. So all that work put into travelling to Benidorm and back, the whole day in Benidorm, shooting the video and uploading the video, earned me in 5 months £3. So don't think that you're going to become a millionaire overnight by starting a YouTube channel. One comment that I get quite a lot is the lifestyle that I must have, if only. It was in reference to the video I put up 2 days ago where I went to 5 countries in 5 days. I will put the link down below for the videos that I am talking about in this video, so you can click on them and watch them if you wish to. So about a couple of weeks ago, I did go off to 5 different countries in 5 days. Now, this person said, oh, what a lifestyle. And I've had it a few times over a few videos that I put up. That you're never in the country, you're always on holiday, you're going to a beach, you're always in hotels. Yes, it's a travel blog. I'm likely to travel. But you don't see what happens off screen. You don't see the work involved in making these videos. I'll use the 5 countries in 5 days as a reference. Yes, I did go to 5 countries. Yes, I was in 6 airports because I had to get back. Yes, I spent 25 hours sitting in airports. Yes, I spent 5 days recording. Not only did I do the travel into the countries, but I did reviews of 5 hotels as well, 1 in each country, which those videos will be coming up on the channel at a later date. So in total, I think I had 12 hours of footage. The travel video itself, traveling to the 5 countries, was 7 hours of footage, which you don't see. Once I get back home, I have to sit and put it into an editor suite. And I had to condense that 7 hours down to the video that I've just put up 2 days ago, which is only 1 hour long. So 6 hours of footage was discarded and not used in the video because you've got to make the content interesting for you, the viewer. So the work involved in condensing them 7 hours down to 1 took me 5 hours. That's including all the editing, adding the sound effects, adding the overlays, adding in the music, adding in the talkovers, adding in any graphics, adding in any text. So all that work involved. Then you have the upload into YouTube, which can take anything up to a couple of hours. And then, once you've done the travel into the countries, all the recording of the videos, all the editing and uploading to YouTube, you don't even know if one single person is going to view that content. So there might be a nice travel lifestyle, but there's a lot of work involved. And the last question that I'm going to try and answer, I can't speak for all content creators, is how do you deal with trolls, dislikers and haters? Well, as I said, I can't speak for everybody else. Personally, I don't give them the time of day. I'm not going to go on about this one. Basically, if you're going to be abusive on the channel, you're going to use abusive language, then you are blocked and you are reported. That's the end of it. I read every comment. Every comment is vetted before it goes up on the wall. I like comments. I always give a heart to say I've read the comments, and I sometimes reply to some questions. Other than that, abusive, nasty, they get blocked. If you're going to come on and give constructive criticism, then your comment will go up on the wall for the community to join in with the conversation. I read somewhere 5% of the population, a lot of people in the world, don't like anything. 24/7 a day, disliking every single thing from the moment they get up to the moment they go to bed. What's a sad life? So there you go. That's how I deal with trolls, dislikers and haters. I've finally made my way up to South Shore, where I'm going to bring this video to a close. I hope I've managed to answer, or at least try and answer, some of the questions. So I'm going to bring it to a close. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and of course hit that notification bell. From me, Paul, here in front of the big one at Blackpool, I'm going to love you and leave you. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.